Welcome back to Fast Money. When did time start? Do we have free will? And is the 30% surge in Bitcoin in April for real? Well, we've got a Bitcoin alert with the chart master, Carter Worth of Cornerstone Macro, who's got the answer to one of those questions. I wonder which one, Carter.
So gotta go back to the old format. My old videos got flagged. That's why you haven't seen any new content for a little while. So hopefully you'll like this new format.
Well, I'm not sure of the answer, but let's try to see if we can figure out possibly the answer. A lot of fun, obviously the most dynamic thing in all markets, and it's both ruined people and made people great fortunes. But here is a chart for the past 4 or 5 years, and I want to sort of zero in on this volatility now. But let's put in the trend lines, put in the percentage declines, and so.
And when you're doing this stuff, remember, they're going off of historical numbers. The market cap was never that big, and I believe in the future they're going to bring that up.
So forth. So what we have here, again, is every drawdown of import over the past 3-4 years. And you see the numbers. I mean, down 36, down 41, 21, down 38. And this one's the most extreme, down 70. But if you go back, we had 2 declines that were in the 90 percentile category in 13, 14. But so now, if we put in the trend line, get rid of these percentage drawdowns, what we have is the following.
There's obviously a lot of volatility, so I'm sure you guys already know that.
A well-defined moment of big movement, meaning when you have lower highs and higher lows, it represents equilibrium, and there's a debate. Some love this thing, and some think it's, of course, the greatest fraud of all time. But this is going to get resolved violently, and if we triangulate a little more, let me just zero into the here and now. This is the thing that's important. When it made its low on Feb 6, the market, of course, made its low on Feb 9th, we revisited that low, and we held. And so now if I put the wedge back in this.
So there you go. That's what they're really basing their charting on, that the February low, as you can see on my chart over here, they didn't hit it. And so they're signaling possibly a bull run. And so far it looks like it hasn't, and it won't be going to back down to that February low. So they're all about it. The mainstream media, since that dip, has been really pumping crypto. And personally, if you've been watching this channel, we're getting closer and closer now to 10,000 subscribers, and I would highly recommend getting into cryptocurrency. If you haven't, please check out Robinhood or Coinbase, one of these accounts. Get your account set up and be ready to buy. If you can, I would buy now. If you still want to wait a little longer, go for it. It's never too late to purchase, but like I said, if you have never followed this market, I wouldn't rush into it, and obviously you want to invest a small amount. But I'm going to go ahead and break up the next video because they're going to go into more of an analysis. But they are really recommending a buy in the futures. And I totally agree, and you should consider doing the same. So let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you soon.